Samsung's secure folder seems to be not so secure. Users on Reddit have started reporting this problem, and then it has been confirmed by Android Authority, although I must make a clarification from the start, as this problem is affecting on One UI 7. All users of previous versions do not have this problem, and the problem is due to a change that Samsung has made in the software, surely forced by Google, since before One UI 7 Samsung used. The Android operating system has its own developments and its own structures in the operating system to make this folder secure, but with One UI 7 started to use something that in Android is called as a work profile. The work profile is also used by some other manufacturers for app locking and similar implementations, and it has a similar goal: to try to have a kind of separate profile, to have separate things for work and for personal consumption. However, it seems that there has been some problem here. Maybe they did not realize this vulnerability, and surely soon they will fix it, but for now, if you have the secure folder configured on your Galaxy S25, and then install an application that also accesses the working profile of Android, you will notice that this application can have access to the items that you had hidden supposedly in your secure folder. Some applications that use the Android working profile are Island or Shelter, and since we are talking about a media selector within these applications, you will notice that the images or videos that you had in the safe folder are the ones that will be displayed, but if you add applications, apps or files other than images and videos, they will not be displayed, at least for now. A small solution offered by users is also to encrypt the secure folder, so that this way, even if the files would appear visible from other applications, they probably could not be read. But definitely the solution will be for Samsung to release an update to correct this problem, which I repeat, is affecting for now those who have One UI 7 on the Galaxy S25. We would have to wait to know if the update of One UI 7 for Galaxy S24 and all previous models will have the same problem, and then we will have to wait for another update or this problem will be corrected. Since this update is received,